Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening the file and creating a quick backup so changes are reversible. Once done, press Ctrl+H to open the Find and Replace dialog. This launches the replacement workflow. Make sure to choose within, Sheet, or Workbook depending on scope, and decide whether to check Match Case or Match Entire Cell for precision. You're now positioned to specify the exact text or value to find and the replacement text. That step drives everything that follows. Now you configure the advanced options that determine how Excel locates content. Click Options to expose search direction, look-in, and match settings. Choose look-in, values when you want visible results, formulas to change underlying calculations, or comments for notes. If needed, use wildcards like asterisk or, and use tilde to escape characters. Once set, test with Find Next and Replace to confirm behavior. Then use Replace All only when you're confident, because it applies. Finish by executing Replace in a controlled way. Step through Replace to handle tricky matches, or run Replace All when confident to save time. After replacements, inspect several cells and dependent formulas to ensure values and references updated correctly, and force a recalculation if needed. Make sure to save a new version after verification. If things go wrong, revert immediately using Undo or restore the backup copy. That's the quickest way to recover without manual correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.